Hey guys, what's happening? So, iOS 16 recently came out, and with it came a new accessibility feature called Live Captions. What is it about? How does it work? How does it help you? How to enable it, disable it? All of these questions answered right in this video. This is Gaurang, you're watching Guy in Tech. Let's get started. So live captions is where the iPhone is able to transcribe every word that it can hear that is coming out of the phone speaker or around you. And it is especially helpful for the people who are hard of hearing or deaf. This feature will come to every iPhone that can be upgraded to iOS 16, but you have to keep in mind that this feature is still in the beta stages. It's going to roll out and get better over time, but right now you might see some errors. Alright, before we do anything else to enable the feature, let's check if the iPhone is updated to iOS 16. If it is, let's go ahead. If it is not, you should update right now. After updating to iOS 16, you need to make sure that the default language on your iPhone is set to English US, not English India or English UK. To do that, open the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to General section. Scroll down and select Language and Region. Under Preferred Languages, select Add Language and you will see a list of languages. Search for English and then select English US from the list of options. Now you will see a prompt asking which language you want to set as primary. Tap on Use English US. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and enable live captions. To do that, open the Settings app once again on your iPhone and scroll down to Accessibility section. Under Hearing category, select the option called Live Captions Beta. And from the following menu, enable the toggle next to Live Captions at the top. While you're at it, also enable the toggle next to Live Captions in RTT. This will allow you to use live captions during phone calls too. After enabling the live captions feature, you will see a grey bar at the bottom of your screen that starts to listen for audio. And right at the top of this bar, you will see 4 buttons. The first button is to hide or collapse the live transcribe bar. The second one is to pause live captions. There's also a mic button next to it that can be used to record any external audio to transcribe. And finally, the last button is to expand the live captions bar to the full screen. Now you will see that as soon as you open any app, the live captions will come into play. Wherever there is audio playing, the live captions will listen for it and the words will be transcribed in real time. And yes, when you are not using the live captions feature anymore, you can simply press the collapse button, which will basically move this entire bar into a small little circular button at the corner of your screen. Now, apart from all this, you can also customize live captions in the terms of their appearance, in terms of how big the letters and words appear, in terms of what the background color is, what the color of the words is. You can do basically everything. To do that, go to Settings, select Accessibility and tap on Live Captions. And at the following menu, tap on the Appearance option. Here you will find individual options for everything that you can edit. You could basically make the text bold, you could increase the text size, you could change the color of the text, you could change the background color. Once you're done setting up everything, there are many different purposes for which the live captions can come in handy. Best example would be to use it to transcribe videos or shows that you may be watching. Another handy use case is to get the lyrics of the song directly while you're playing them. If you're on a phone call, you can still use live captions, but it may or may not be accurate because it depends on the accent or the dialect of the person and how audible they are on the call. And another great use case is while FaceTime calls or video calls where all of the words that the other person is saying at the other end will be transcribed into this live captions bar. And even though this feature is very handy, there can be reasons for you to not find it useful. If you do, well, here's how you disable it. It's pretty simple. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Accessibility section again. From the following menu, under the Hearing category, select Live Captions Beta. And now turn off the toggle next to Live Captions at the top. And that's it. The Live Captions pop-up will now disappear from your screen. And well, that's pretty much it. This is everything that you can know about the live captions feature. And if you like the video, like it. If you love the video, then press the red subscribe button. And beside that, you'll find a bell icon. Press that, you'll get notifications for all our videos from now on. This has been Gaurang, and I'll see you in the next one.